Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And this is Node.js tutorial series for beginners. And in this series, we have started making CRUD application in Node.js. So for create CRUD application in Node.js with MySQL database. So here, we will use Node Express application framework. So in this part, we will show you how to set up Express application by using Express generator tool. So with the help of Node Express, so you can easily develop your web application. In this part, we will show you how to install Express generator. Then after, we will show you how to install Express application. Then after, we will install dependencies for Node Express. After this, we will show you Express application structure. After this, we will run Express application in the browser. Then after, we will create new routes file for CRUD application. And after this, we will create basic routing for CRUD application. So these things we will learn in this part. Now first, we want to install Express application. So before installing Express application, first we want to configure following points. First of all, make sure that Node.js must be installed in your computer. After this, you have to create project folder, like CRUD in your computer drive. So if this both points you have configured properly, for install Express generator. We have to open command prompt, and go to CRUD folder, using following command. After that, for install Express generator, we have to run following command. So this command will install Express generator. Next, we want to install Express application. So for this, we have to run following command. So this command will install Express application. And in the above command, Ajax is a template engine of the Express. So after running the above command, you will get following instructions. Now in next step, we want to install dependencies. So we have to run following command, which will install dependencies. So this command will install Node.js Express application dependencies. After this, we have go to text editor, and here, we can see Express application directory structure. So after installing Express.js application, then by default some file has been created, at the time of download of Express.js application. So here, in Node module folder, all Node module will be downloaded under this folder. After this, in public directory, we can create JavaScript and style sheet static file. Next, in roots folder, we can create server-side script. And in views directory, we will create Node Express template file. So this is basic directory structure of this Node.js Express application. Now we want to run this application, so we have go to command prompt. And here we have run following command, and it will start Node Express application. Now we have go to browser, and here we have to write localhost with 3000 port number. So here, Node Express application has been run on 3000 port number. And here on the web page, we can see that Express logo has been displayed. That means our Node Express.js application has been run in the browser. Now in this part, we have to create one new routes file. And show you, how can we create root in Express application. So here, we have to create new file under this routes folder, with file name sampledata.js. And under this file, we have to write express variable is equal to require function, and under this function, we have to write express. So here, we have to include express module under this file. After this, we have to create one router variable is equal to express variable.router function. So by using this function, it will create a new router object. Now here, we want to set root for list all sample data. So here, we have to write router variable.get method with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to write slash. And in second parameter, we have to write callback function. With three parameter, like request, response and next. So when we have directly hit sample data URL, then this block of code will execute. And under this function, we have to write response.send function, and under this function, we have to write list all sample data. So it will display this message when we have hit base URL / sample data. After this, we want to set route for add sample data. So for this, we have to write router variable.get function with 2 parameters. So in the first parameter, we have to write /add. And in the second parameter, we have to write callback function with 3 parameters like request, response, and next. And under this function, we have to write response.send function, and under this function, we have to write add sample data. So when we have hit sample data /add, then this message will be displayed on the web page. So here we have create 2 routes for list all data, and add new sample data. But before go to browser, first we want to define sample data route, under this app.js file. So here, we have to open this app.js file. And under this file, here we have to write sample data router variable is equal to require function, and under this function, we have to write /roots folder name / sample data file name. So after define roots details, under this file. So now, we can execute sample data.js file code in the browser. Now we have go to browser, and here we have to write localhost with 3000 port number / sample data. So after hit above URL, here in the browser, we can see that message like list all sample data, which we can see that when we have hit root URL of sample data file. Now here we have to write add, and after this, we have press enter. So here on the web page, we can see message like add sample data. So this way, we can easily create routes under this Node Express application. And by using this Node Express application, we will create CRUD application. So in this part, we have learned how to download and install Node Express application. And then after, we have learned basic routing in the Node Express application. In next part, we will learn how to make MySQL database connection under this Node Express application. So we will be meet in the next part.